Here's how to install ASUS Wi-Fi drivers on Windows 11. I'll cover two different methods, starting with the official ASUS support website and then using Intel's driver detection tool. For the first method, open your internet browser and search for ASUS drivers. Press enter, then select the official ASUS download center from the search results. From here, you need to enter your laptop's product information. If you're not sure which model you have, open the Start menu, search for System Information, and launch the application. Find the System Model entry, where you'll see the exact model information for your laptop. Once you know your laptop model, return to the ASUS Download Center and search for your specific device. Select your laptop, then click Driver and Tools on the right side. Scroll down to the Operating System section and select either Windows 11 or Windows 10, depending on which version you're using. Next, scroll down to the Networking section and select See All Downloads. You'll see several different network adapter drivers available depending on the hardware installed in your laptop. Select the latest available version and click the blue Download button. After the download is complete, open the downloaded application and follow the on-screen instructions to install the driver on your laptop. Once the installation is finished, you'll have the latest available Wi-Fi adapter driver installed. The second method involves using Intel's official driver detection tool. Open your internet browser again and search for Intel Wi-Fi adapter. Select the official Intel website from the search results. Since many ASUS laptops use Intel Wi-Fi adapters, you can use Intel's online tool to identify your hardware and check for the latest compatible driver. Click the blue Download button, review and accept the terms and conditions, and then open the downloaded application. Follow the instructions provided by the installer to complete the setup. The tool will scan your system for missing or outdated Wi-Fi adapter drivers and automatically install the appropriate updates when they are available. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.